Hi everyone! Today I am sharing with you some annual flowers that you can sow directly in your garden right now. I live in Zone 5A and I've been planting these flowers every year and I always have a great success. In this bed, I have many flowers in it. In here we have the calendula, popular annuals with colorful flowers. Plant in full sun and flower is edible. They add color in salad and other dishes. The flower can be used to make yellow dye and calendula oil as well. These flowers attract many pollinators and I really enjoy watching them every morning. I like to collect the flowers and make calendula oil. In this bed, I have planted snapdragons, petunia, and calendula. At the end of the season, I always collect the seeds of calendula, petunia, and snapdragon to use it again on the following year. Cosmos grow better in the sunny location. Colorful daisy-like flowers, just sprinkle the seeds in the garden after the danger of the frost. Plant in full sun and when it blooms, you will make all the pollinators happy. Marigold, the most reliable flowers in the garden, great companion plants. Snapdragon is the first flowers that we had in our garden, and every season I always collect the seeds as we enjoyed the blooms of these flowers and it became the most favorite in our garden. Petunia is the most popular flower in the garden for both borders and containers. It blooms throughout the summer and in my experience, I always direct sow it and they grow perfectly. My name is Anna Rica and thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and if you are not subscribed yet, please consider to subscribe. I greatly appreciate your support. Bye for now and see you on my next video.